So we've just finished doing an upgrade for Bruce. Originally had a 219-227 camshaft with the stock heads. He's now moved across to the 226-232 on a 112. But I'll start it up and we'll go through the details after it. So as you can hear, it's not overly offensive, still works quite well. It's got a relatively small converter in it. But here's a bit of a comparison, and this is the main reason why I did the video. So red line is his original cam, so 219-227 on a 112 lobe separation. And then the blue line, which is a 226-232 on a 112. Bearing in mind this does have the cylinder head. So you get the general idea, the difference between the camshafts in the lower ranges. So as it comes on, it is a much better cam, and up to around sort of 4,600, something like that. It's still, still got a good increase in power, but then you see where the cylinder heads come into it in the top end. Once you hit around that sort of 5.2, 5.6, the heads just start to come in their own, and that's where they really start to complement the camshaft. So really, really good package, good street package. Sounds, it's not over the top, it's not too much cop bait. And once again, you don't need a super big converter with this. Something like a 2500 would work quite fine. But that's just a bit of a small comparison on Bruce's latest upgrade. Sorry about the no dyno footage, guys. I got no one here today to film that one for me, but you get the idea anyway. Thank you. Bye.